Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting accounts and connectivity in order. Sign into the same Spotify Premium account on every device you plan to use, because only Premium supports multi-device control. Once signed in, update the Spotify apps so features match across platforms, and connect devices to the same Wi-Fi network or ensure Bluetooth is enabled for playback handoff. This alignment prevents version conflicts and network isolation. Make these checks now so the following steps proceed smoothly. You now use Spotify Connect to route audio to specific devices. Play any track, tap the Connect icon, and you'll see nearby devices. Select one, then add others if the interface allows grouping. On some platforms, create a speaker group or choose play on this device plus another device in sequence to sync. Make sure Spotify has local network permissions so devices discover each other. Doing this lets you control volume and playback from your current device, while audio plays on multiple targets. Finish by validating synchronization and fixing common issues. Start playback and verify devices begin together. You can adjust each device's volume independently for balance. If you see lag or dropouts, reconnect the affected device or restart the Spotify app to refresh the Connect session. Also check for duplicate account sessions, log out extra devices, and reauthorize the ones you need. If discovery fails, temporarily disable VPNs or guest network isolation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.